A super useful and fun project, a QR code generator using React. Just type a URL or some text and instantly get a QR code that you can even download. Let's jump straight into building this. It's going to be quick and easy. First, let's set up our project. In your terminal, run the following command to create a new React app. npx create React app QR code generator. Once it's done, go into your project folder, cd QR-code generator. Now install the QR code generation library we'll use. npm install qrcode.react. Open this project in your code editor, and let's start coding in app.js. Open the srsapp.js file and replace everything with the following code. Import React, use state, use ref from React. Import QR code canvas from qrcode.react. Function app, const text equals use state. Const QR ref equals use ref. Const download QR equals. Const canvas equals qrref.current.querySelector canvas. Const URL canvas data URL, image PNG. Const a equal document.createElement a. A.ref equals URL. A download equal qrcode.png a click. Return div styles container, QR code generator. Input type text on change set text e.target.value. Placeholder enter URL or text, styles.input. Text and divs margin 20px, QR code canvas value, text. Button styles.button, on click, download QR code, div. Const styles equals container, text align center, margin top 50px, font family Arial serif. Input, padding 10px, width 300px, font size 16, border radius 8px, border 1 peak solid. Button, margin top 10px, padding 10px 20px, font size 16px, border radius 8px, background color 00b894, color FFF, border none, cursor pointer. Export default app. Here's what this code does. We take user input using a text field. When there's input, we generate a QR code using the QR code canvas component. We also allow downloading the QR code by accessing the canvas directly using a ref.